Got this new Canon Powershot ELPH 100 HS for, I don't know, but I just got it. And I'll be doing an unboxing. Alright, limited warranty. Disc, instructions, charger, USB and video cord, I guess, battery pack, wrist strap. Before I take out the camera, I also got 4 GB SanDisk card for it. It's a bundle, the memory card, the screen protector, and a case. So now I'll be taking out the camera. Here's the camera. It's really small, really small. 3-inch screen, LCD screen, nice and slim. It's touch screen, 12 megapixel, 4x zoom. It should be good. Not much, but this is a nice camera. Thank you for watching.